check on the feed before. I'm not even going to use any smoke here. Try to get in here before the day gets going. Late September feeding. Saw something last time that Sarah and I were in here. There's a little spider or something that we want to continue to see. It's actually the first time I've seen it. It's pretty cool. It's called Fastooning. Checked on it. It's the bees were all linked together like a chain. Oh, ants. That's not good. I gotta get that out of here. What do they do with these ants? Bees are still in there working hard. Ants, they're definitely gonna get rid of them. Huh. Well, that's not good. All right. Let's release the bees that are in here and see if we can get that cleaned out real quick. I'm not a big fan of this feeder. We definitely need to get these ants out of here. I'm gonna pour this out over here. Maybe they'll go for that. All right, little bees. I'm sorry. Ooh, that was not good. Oh, I'm sorry. Not good. Should have smoked them. All right, well, got to get these ants off of here. I was hoping to do this without causing a problem, but that was not the way to do it. And moving fast on a beehive is not the way to do it either. I'm sure it's the sugar water. I know it is, but I need to get these off and get this thing closed back up quick. Not a great way to do it, man. They're slipping in here. What I need to do is probably turn this over. I've noticed this is on the wrong side. Just easily take this and flip it around. Okay, that's the way that should go. Let's get this thing where they can. It's supposed to go that way. That way they're not sneaking in. Alright, little bees, I need y'all to go back down. I'm not trying to mess with you. I need them to kind of clear off this lid if I can get them off the lid. Let me bump this a little bit. Come on, bees. Come on, bees. I'll see if I can shake them off a little bit. I don't want these bees to die. They're coming up in the middle now, doing a better job. I don't want to get them trapped in here. My understanding is it goes that way. Alright, let's take this. I don't like those ants. I'm going to have to figure those ants out. Alright, let me go get the container. Hopefully the bees are cleared out by now. Or most of them. It's okay if a few are in here, but I'm going to try to get anything that's dead out of here. No, he's not dead, he's just sticky. Alright, let's do that. Maybe we can get you to come over here. And then we can put this on here like that. They are already coming up in here. Alright, let me put this middle. And light them on here. This is much thicker sugar water. They are in building mode. I gotta deal with these ants. That's what's worrying me. Look how thick that is. It's like a sugar water that they're really loving. This is gonna help them build comb. Right now they're in building mode. I'm gonna fill this up pretty good here. And then I'm just gonna leave them so that they can really get down in there and finish building comb. We want them building comb in front of that queen. She's doing a really good job. That one's upset at me. All right, let me look around and see if there's any obvious places where I'm missing it. I feel like that's pretty good. Let me see. The ants. Where are these ants coming from? Get out of here, ants. Alright. Alright, little bees, I need y'all to keep moving. I know, I'm not trying to hurt you. I should have brought my smoke this morning. Alright, so hopefully we can get you figured out here. Let's put this top on. I'm definitely learning. Sometimes you open the box and it's not what you're thinking or want. And I don't want the hive full of ants, obviously. We'll have to put some more ant granules around here. Of course, I'm not surprised. I mean, it's really heavy sugar water, and as soon as ants, no different than a picnic, and they find that, they're going to be all over you. Come on, little bees, y'all get out of there. That should be a good seal. Pretty good. But you know, ants can get into just about anything if they want to bad enough. These boxes aren't particularly perfectly tight. Oh, little bee's upset. All right, let's put this back on. Anyway, they were fastooning. I learned about that. It's kind of neat. Looked it up. It's really when they're in building mode and they're chained together. Pretty awesome. It looks like a chain of bees trying to measure where they're needing to build onto the bottom of the area that's kind of foundationless. And these bees have been biting off the foundation about halfway down and building out their own comb. So, pretty interesting learning about that, but I gotta do something with these bees, with these ants, try to figure out how to make sure that's not an issue going forward on the little hive here. Got another hive hopefully coming this week, so that's exciting. Some granules for killing ants. If I can get this bag open. All around, my understanding is you can do this. It's much better than spraying. I know I'm putting a lot, but I really want to try to get these ants away from this hive. You can tell them, I know they're going to come back with all that sugar water. They find it. Ants, I knew it was going to happen eventually, but I don't like it either way. A couple of bees coming back in. Okay, let's see if that works.